Welcome to a new section of Jorge Nicolás Abello News, an space where you can get information about activities happening in our school.
Hello everybody, my name is Juan Jimenez and welcome to a new section of J&A News or Jorge Nicolás Abello News.
We're very happy to share that in the first virtual festival of storytellers and short stories, there are 3 pre-selects of our institution. In relation to the children who participate in the first virtual festival of Cuenteros y Cuenteritos, 4 children were nominated in this order. Alejandro Gomez from first, Jesus Gabriel Lopez second, Luis Fernando Sarmiento third, Samuel Villanueva fifth.
The student Adrián Aristizabal from grade 10S enrolled in the call for Mission TIC 2022 of Ministerio de las TIC, together with 12 classmates, more than 9, 10 and 11 grade. After registration, they were summoned to exam. Finally, Adrián Aristizabal and Sergio Delgado from 11S were those who made it through.
We remind teachers from both private and public institutions our second symposium on innovative strategies in teaching English language. It will take place on October 6th. We will have the presence of different speakers and workshops in a vital way through the Google Meet and Facebook platforms. On our page of Facebook is the registration link.
Report of the Effective Classroom Experiences contest organized by our institution under the leadership of its rector Matilde Camargo Rodriguez and the Bilingualisms Department. Having completed the application and selection process of our contest, in which we received 17 registered and 25 lesson plans in total. And after having interviewed the 10 finalists chosen, the evaluation committee of the first competition of effective classroom experiences unanimously select the teachers list below. Giselle Judith Ruiz Herrera, Colegio para el Desarrollo Integral Glendomán, de básica primaria. Berta Elena Contreras Mendoza, IED Mundo Bolivariano, básica secundaria. Y Sergio Enrique Niño Araque, Colegio Bifi La Salle, media. Socialization of our significant experience, La Huerta Abellista en Casa, within the framework of the Territorial Educational Forum. Ministerio de Educación Nacional on October 2nd will ratify the presentation in the National Educational Forum of the Huerta Abellista. On October 18, our proposal was posted by the district. However, this is another filter. Since the forum is from October 7 to 9, on Monday 28, the teacher Jolenis Castro will be interviewed for the radio program Learning Together that they record it on Monday and show it on Tuesday on It's a Radio.